بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Allah's name to commence with, the most gracious, the most merciful.
إذا الشمس كورت
When the sunlight is rolled up,
وإذا النجوم انكدرت
and when the stars shall fall off,
وإذا الجبال سيرت
and when the mountains are made to move,
وإذا العشار عطلت
and when the pregnant she-camels roam around abandoned,
وإذا الوحوش حشرت
and when wild animals are gathered,
وإذا البحار سجرت
and when the seas are set alight,
وإذا النفوس زوجت
and when the souls are paired,
وإذا الموءودة سئلت
and when the one who was buried alive is asked,
بأي ذنب قتلت
for which crime was she killed?
وإذا الصحف نشرت
And when the books of deeds are opened,
وإذا السماء كشطت
and when the heaven is pulled away from its place,
وإذا الجحيم سعرت
and when the hell is set ablaze,
وإذا الجنة أزلفت
and when paradise is brought close,
علمت نفس ما أحضرت
every soul will then become aware of what it has brought of good or evil.
فلا أقسم بالخنس
So, by the oath of those stars that retreat,
الجوار الكنس
stars which move straight, then stop moving,
والليل إذا عسعس
and of the night when it departs,
والصبح إذا تنفس
and of the morning when it breathes,
إنه لقول رسول كريم.
This, i.e., the Quran is indeed the recitation of an honored messenger, i.e., the angel Jibraeel,
ذي قوة عند ذي العرش مكين
the one who was powerful, honored in the majestic court of the owner of the throne,
مطاع ثم أمين
the one who is obeyed there, he is trustworthy.
وما صاحبكم بمجنون
And your companion, i.e., the beloved Prophet, is not insane.
ولقد رآه بالأفق المبين
And indeed he, i.e., the beloved Prophet, saw him on the edge of the clear horizon,
وما هو على الغيب بضنين
and this Prophet is not miserly in revealing the knowledge of the unseen.
وما هو بقول شيطان رجيم
And the Quran is not the recitation of Satan, the banished one.
فأين تذهبون
Then where are you going to?
إن هو إلا ذكر للعالمين
Only that, i.e., the Quran is guidance to all the worlds.
لمن شاء منكم أن يستقيم
For the one amongst you who desires to become upright.
وما تشاءون إلا أن يشاء الله رب العالمين.
And in reality, what can you desire unless it is willed by Allah, the Lord of all the worlds?
صدق الله العظيم.